Hi, welcome to Swift Tech Apparel. This is our stage two managing a business presentation.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kenny Gregory, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Swift Tech Apparel. And in this company, my role is mainly focused on the big picture of the company. So I'm going to help set the overall direction of where we want the brand to go and how we grow it over time. I'm also responsible for long-term planning, building partnerships, and making sure all parts of the company are working together, whether that's product development, marketing, or finances. So I also lead investor presentations and represent the company when working with athletic organizations, retailers, or universities. Overall, my job is making sure the company stays on track and continues moving toward our long-term goals.
Hi, my name is Grace Endlich. I am the COPO and co-founder of Swift Tech Apparel. My roles and responsibilities include setting strategic direction for Swift Tech, and I oversee day-to-day operations. I also manage design of the lightweight sensor and interior of our shirt and other technologies. I am also responsible for coordinating prototypes with sensor testing in collaboration with the app developers. And lastly, I'm responsible for handling production and quality control within our fabric technology.
Hi, my name's Amanda Roesch. I'm the CFMO and also the co-founder. My roles and responsibility are going to be overseeing the financial portion of our business, managing investors and scalability options as our company grows. I'll lead the branding, social media strategy, and the promotional content along with conducting outreach to fitness communities and our student athletes, and then ensuring that all of our marketing aligns with company values, which include innovation, inclusivity, sustainability, and performance-focused design. Our compensation from this is that we are student entrepreneurs as equal co-owners of Swift Tech Apparel. Each member will receive the same equality shares in our LLC, along with an academic credit for our participation.
And so for Swift to work, we're going to need a mix of technology and business roles. So first, our software engineer focuses on the sensors, connectivity, and making sure the clothing technology actually works reliably. And the mobile app developer is going to build the app athletes use to track their performance data. A manufacturing technician helps assemble products and manage production quality. And because we're dealing with user data, we also need a data privacy consultant to make sure we follow laws and protect customers. So overall, this team lets us build the product, produce it, and manage user data safely.
Some of our employee benefits for our year one employees include flexible work schedule, wellness, and fitness perks, such as being able to rep the brand itself and getting some of that free merch, as well as provided lunches and breakfasts in within a workday. We are also very strong on equity and inclusive and supportive culture within our ownership opportunities. And things that are not included are traditional 401ks, full medical coverage, and paid time off.
So while we were researching who we'd like to have as an advisor, we came across Bernita Plath just because she is a CCU graduate and has strong local and academic ties. Along with her experience in small business, her background being firsthand at her father as a child, watching him as a small business owner, and then now her husband also being a small business owner. She's also skilled in financial management, tax compliance, and tax remittance, which will help us within our first year of doing our taxes. And then she is also just a valuable resource for entrepreneurs seeking guidance.
So for our location, our headquarters is going to be located in Conway near Coastal Carolina. So that's going to help us keep connected to students and athletes. And for the first few years, most operations would be online through our website and mobile app. Administrative work can be done remotely or in shared workplaces to help us save money as a company. And manufacturing will also be outsourced to experienced apparel and wearable tech facilities. Shipping and storage will be handled by a third-party logistics provider. And as the company grows, we may also open a small facility in Horry County for testing and prototyping.
To go along with locations and facilities, we have the tools needed to be able to produce and put our product onto that market. So first we have equipment, which is industrial machines, cutting tools, press machines to get our product created. And then along with that, we have technology, which is our app and our sensors that will be put into our clothing, along with Bluetooth and biometric sensors. And with this, we have our supply chain. So first, textile materials, including our polyester blends, our fabrics, what is needed to go into our product. And then along with that, we have our electronics and sensor components, which are biometric sensors, BLE modules, rechargeable batteries, microcontrol units, and more.
So that brings us to our SWOT analysis. When reviewing our business, our strengths are going to be our unique integration of athletic apparel and wearable technology. We do have a clear target market, which is going to be our fitness and our student athletes. Our online will be our first scalable model, along with our strong branding positioning around innovation. Some of our weaknesses will be our high startup and technology development cost, our reliance on our outsourcing, our manufacturing, and then having no brand recognition. Our opportunities, though, are going to be growing the wearable technology market, partnership with universities and athletic programs, subscription for revenue through performance analytics, and then our expansion into professional and amateur sports markets. Our threats, which are going to be our big major companies such as Nike, Apple, Under Armour, entering into that smart apparel. And then just rapid changes within the wearable technology, our data privacy regulations, and then our supply chain disruptions.
So this is what our success is going to look like over time. And our first goal is going to be to build public awareness so people will recognize our public when they or recognize our product when they see it. In the first year, we're going to aim for around $450,000 in revenue, and long term, we expect to grow about give or take 20% each year. So over time, that growth could bring the company to millions in annual profit. And eventually, we want to expand internationally and form partnerships while introducing our new products.
And that is it. Thank you very much.